What if you could carry a compatible Windows 11 25H2 system with you and run it directly from a USB drive? This is correct, you can do it. Let's get started. First, I'm going to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft official website. This is the official website which is being displayed in the screen. You need to select this ISO file from the Microsoft website itself, which is available and free. You can download it. Now next you need to select the product language. In my case I'll select it English United States. This is a product language. Click confirm. I'm using the official Microsoft ISO so that we have a genuine Windows 11 installation source. So click this one and the download will get started in few minutes. Depending upon your internet speed, the size is in a several gig. So the download may take some time depending on your internet connection. So you don't worry, once the download process is finished, you will get the ISO file saved in your download folder or whatever the drive which is mapped in your account. So once the download is completed, you need to make sure the download has been completed successfully. If download is being interrupted, then the file will get corrupted. So next we will move on to this site. This is the Rufus one. This is the official website. This Rufus is required, allows us to create different types of bootable USB drive. And in this video, we will especially use Windows Go-To option to create a portable Windows environment. This is a stable version. I'm downloading the Rufus. This is the latest one. Once the download is completed, I'll show you the pen drive which I'm going to use today. So here my pen drive is almost being formatted and is being neat and clean. So there is no issue with the pen drive. Minimum requirement is 14 GB pen drive is required. These are the two files which is being shown. The ISO file and the Rufus file is required. This is the Rufus console. Now I have connected the USB drive that I'm going to use for this process. Rufus has already detected my USB drive. Now I'll open the ISO file. I'll browse it from here. Select the ISO file. The location where you have downloaded, in my case, is in the download folder. Next, under the boot section, I'll select the Windows 11 25H2 ISO that we have downloaded from Microsoft. Rufus will now load the Windows installation in image and display the available configuration options. For the system, I'll use the GPT as the partition schema and UEFI as the target system. These settings are suitable for a modern UEFI based computer. Now let's move on to the most important part of the tutorial. Here you need to select the OS. Like if you have the home version, education version or education pro or Windows 11 Pro or Windows Pro Educations or Windows Pro Education N, whatever the version you have, you need to select the image as per your choice. In my case, I'll select Windows 11 Pro. This is the another important part of it bypass the requirement for the Windows 11. It will create an admin account. Won't install the Copilot, Outlook, OneDrive, etc. You need to check this box if you don't want to use it. Click OK once you are satisfied with the settings. Now here it will delete all the data. Don't worry, you already formatted your pen drive. Click OK. Now Rufus will start creating the bootable image. During this process, Rufus will format the USB drive and copy the Windows installation file to it. Depending on the speed of your USB drive and computer, this process may take several minutes. Make sure you don't disconnect the USB drive while Rufus is working. I'll let Rufus continue until the process reaches 100%. Now there we go. Rufus has successfully completed the process. Here you can see the logs is being shown here. All the necessary actions being taken from Rufus is being successful. So this is clear history showing the log. There is no more error in the logs and it has successfully created the portable Windows to go environment. Now let's test whether it's actually boot and run. I'm now going to test the USB drive on an ASUS laptop. I'll restart the laptop and open the boot menu. The key used to access the boot menu depend on the computer manufacturer and the model. Common keys include F2, F12, Del, Skip or another designated key. On this laptop, I'll select the USB drive from the boot menu and start the computer from USB drive. Let's see what happened. Let's move on. Here you can see the boot menu is being shown. I've selected the USB drive. Windows will now prepare the portable environment, and after a little while we will reach the login screen. We have selected the internet connection here and it giving me the admin login here. So as you can see, we have Windows 11 desktop running normally. Now it has given the option for hi getting things ready. These are the steps which is being shown in the screen. So this means the USB is working pretty good. The start menu will come up immediately once this options will take further few minutes depending upon the USB. If it's a USB type C, then it will be more faster. In my case, I have used only USB 2, but this is pretty faster compared to what we have expected. The start menu is working fine, File Explorer opens normally, and the system is responding quickly. Most importantly, Windows is running directly from the USB drive in this test. So we have successfully created and booted a portable Windows 11 25H2 USB drive. So in this video helps you, please like and share it and subscribe to the Educatory. And if you face any issue while creating your portable Windows 11 USB drive, leave a comment below. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So you can see here, this pen drive is being only the one drive which is available here in the system. So it's running directly from the USB pen drive. Thank you and have a good day.